stay sa building na yan. And then, eto lang yung square. So, we're going there. Hali kayo. So, we're here in Poznan, Poland. So, we came from there. And this is what you get for 89.85. It's more cheaper than our 40 euro last night. So every day we got more cheaper apartment. We start from 46 here in Poland. We thought that's very cheap already. And now it's yesterday is 40. And this time this is 39.85. Look. So Ricky will sleep here. And there's our bed. And look. And we have a table, we can eat, we have a TV, we have a microwave, and look, we have a kitchen, and there's the view. This is really in the middle of the center of Poznan. So look, there's Ricky. Will sleep in the couch. So, but at least we have you can cook, you can make hot your food, you can make coffee, and there's coffee also. And here's the toilet also. It's very clean apartment. It's really good. Okay, look, they have a shower. Yeah, so, and they have a washing machine. You can dryer. Yeah, towels. Everything is here naman as what you need. Ayan, if you want to clean, they also have for cleaning cabinet. Yeah, so for 3 person for 39.85, more cheaper than 40 euro. The first one is 46, then 39.85. Yes. Yeah, so this is it. Nice, huh?
And we have coffee.
And we have pre-coffee.
Tea, water.
Yeah.
We can cook.
So there we are going out now. Check out.
We're leaving.
Oh, I want to just to check. I just want to checking out from the 3rd floor. Actually, the cheapest, the cheap hotel, but apartment. It's just all here actually, but you know, inside the apartment is really modern one. So just the building is just old, but it is actually because it is in the middle of the center, and it's really, I think, an old building. But it's really in the middle of the center, and it's more cheaper than 46 and 40 euro. Cheaper than 50 cents. 15 cents.
It's 15 cents.
Yeah, so here we're going out. So that is Stay 99 apartment. Look, we're going out, and immediately we are here. Look, this is the Poznan. This is really a Poznan center. Yeah, if you go to the left, and that's already the church, the square. So, and here is the building. Yeah, it's in the middle of Poznan. Look, you can stay here for a few days. It's really nice. Yeah. Look, there is the square, the Poznan square. So, and they have a lot of parking here also. Parking is no problem. We park here in front. And there is the building, the 3rd floor over there. There where we stay.
The room with this open room.
Yeah, the open window. There we stay. O diba, nasa gitna kayo ng Poznan, no? Sa halagang 39.85. Maybe if you only two, maybe it's only 32 euro. O diba? So, ang galing.